When I turboed my Honda Beat, I made this plate that mounts on the factory intake plenum so I can route piping to the intercooler that's mounted right below. This isn't the most effective place to mount an intercooler, but I thought it looked cool at the time. The piping snakes down from the plenum, through the intercooler and back across the engine and down to the turbo, or the other way around. I'm going to redo all of this and make it a little neater so it's all gotta go. I want to design a new intake plenum that attaches to the ITBs. In order to do that, I'm using the Einstar Vega to 3D scan the engine, especially around the intake area and the turbo hot side. The scanner is perfect because it's so compact, I can get it into the engine bay to get all the critical features. I aligned the scans and then imported the mesh into Autodesk Fusion and designed a two-piece plenum. First, a mounting flange that bolts to the ITBs, then the plenum that'll be bolted onto that. I printed test pieces out in PLA and bolted it up, and it turns out the flange needed a bit more thickness, and I also mistook the idle air control port as a bolt hole, so after fixing both of these issues, the second test piece fit much better. Some of you guys are saying,
"But Lewis, the 3D printed plastic isn't strong enough. You'll blow the welds on the intake."
relax, Dom. Bamboo Lab sent me some PPA CF filament, which is a fiber reinforced nylon, to test out for this, and the website says it's like metal, so I think it's good enough.